Bismillah, as-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Today we're going to talk about med, and here, if you can look to the left, you can see here it says al-med in Arabic. So med means that the sound of the letter is lengthened, so it extends, it makes the sound longer. So alif, this one makes the sound longer for fatha, I'm going to write fatha like this, and you pronounce fatha like ba, and with the ra you pronounce it like ra. Alright, you have ba and ra. It's all same. It's the same fatha. Okay. The alif makes the sound longer from the fatha. The alif makes the sound longer from the fatha. The waw makes the sound longer for the Dammah. I'm going to explain later, so just bear with me. And you pronounce the Dammah as u, okay? And the ya makes the ya makes the sound longer for the, who can guess? Kasrah. That's the only one left. And you pronounce it as E. Okay, now with this med, it means that it prolongs. So what prolong means make the sound longer. It makes the sound longer. So you don't say here ba, you say here ba. It's longer. You add another a. Boo. You add another u. B. You add another e. So let's practice this one. We start with the first letter. First letter is the ba. I write it down with a fatha. So I write down the a. And as we talked here, the med, this one, the alif, prolongs the fatha. So we write down another a. So here it says ba, not ba. Ba. Next one. First letter is the ba. With Dammah is u. And the waw, we said here, waw makes the u longer if it comes after this one. So the waw comes after the Dammah, and it prolongs the Dammah. It makes the sound longer. So we write down another u. It's here. It says boo. Boo. This one we had is done. This one is also done. This letter is the ba. With kasra is e. And we just said the ya prolongs the kasra. So it makes a double e. Here it says b. 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 This letter begins with ta. Write it down. Fatha. A. The alif makes the fatha longer, so we write down another a. Ta. Ta. This one is the letter ta with Dammah. You write down u. And the waw makes the Dammah longer. So we write down another u. Tu, tu, ta with Kasrah. Ta with Kasrah. And the ya makes the Kasrah longer. So we write down another Kasrah. Ti, ti. So let's make some room for the next word, letter. And this is the tha. So how do you, let's write the tha. Let's write the tha as T H. Tha is T H. We read from right to left. Okay. Okay. Tha. Tha with fatha is a. And then you have an alif that makes the fatha longer. We write down another one. Tha, tha. This one begins with also with a tha. Tha. And then Dammah. Tha with Dammah is thu. And the waw extends the Dammah, so we write down another one. It's thu, thu. The tha with Kasrah is thi. And the ya makes it longer, so write down another one. Thi, thi. This is the ha. This is the ha. Well, let's write it down as H. With fatha is ha. And the alif makes it longer. So we write down another one. Ha, ha. First letter is the ha with Dammah is hu. The waw makes the Dammah longer. We write down another one. Hu, hu. The ha with Kasrah is hi. And the ya makes the Kasrah longer. So we pronounce it like hi, hi. The kha, I'm going to write like G. Kha, fatha is kha. The alif makes the fatha longer, so we write down another one. Kha, kha, kha. The kha with Dammah is khu. And the waw makes it longer. We write down another one. Khu, khu. The kha with Kasrah is khi. And the ya makes it longer. So we pronounce it like khi, khi, khi. The ra, the r. Let's make some space. the ra with fatha is ra. And then the alif makes it longer. Ra. Ra. The ra with Dammah is ru. And the waw makes it longer. Ru. 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 The ra with Kasrah is ri. And the ya makes the Kasrah longer. Ri. Ri. The za with Fatha is za. And the alif makes it longer. Za. Za. The za with Dammah is zu. The waw extends the Dammah. Zu. 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 The za with Kasrah is zi. And the ya extends it. Zi. 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 The ta, the fatha is ta. I write it like T, okay? But you have to know it's a thick one. Not like ta, but this is ta. Ta, and the alif extends it. Ta. Ta. The ta with Dammah is tu, and the waw extends it. Tu. 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 So you understand now how I'm doing this. You can write it also down. It's better for you if you write it. Then you can learn it much better. Bi'idhnillah. So let's do this without writing, because now you know how I am doing it, and you can do it in your own language. Write it in your own language and just practice it. Tu. Tu. The ta with Kasrah is ti, and the ya extends, makes it longer, so it's ti. Ti. The dha with Fatha is dha, and the alif makes it longer. Dha. 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 Dha with Dammah is dhu. The waw extends the Dammah. Dhu. 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 The dha with Kasrah is dhi. The ya makes it longer. Dhi. 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 Fa and Fatha is fa. Alif makes it longer. Fa. 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 The fa and Dammah is fu. The waw makes the Dammah longer. Fu. 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 Fa. Kasrah is fi. Ya makes it longer. Fi. 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 Ha. Fatha ha. 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 Fi. Sa. 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 Su. 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 Si. 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 Sha. 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 Shu. 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 She. 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 Saw. 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 صي 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 ضا 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 ضو 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 ضي 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 عا 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 عو 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 عي عي عي. So if you practice it like I just told you, so let's do another example. Let's take this one. This starts with letter D, dal. Fatha is a, and the alif prolongs, extends the sound of the fatha. So we write down another a. Da, and read from right to left. Alright? Jazakallah khairan. Subhanakallah wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.